Tokyo. I'm in Ueno station, or near Ueno station. I'm gonna go hop on the subway and then hop on the Shinkansen and go down to Kyoto and catch up with my sister. She's been in Japan for basically the whole time that I've been in Taiwan. And yeah, she's gonna have some stories to tell, I am sure. Looking forward to seeing her. Alright, I've got the equivalent of a gas station breakfast. A hot can of coffee, which is cool, and then a ham and cucumber sandwich. You know, you're not supposed to eat on the subway in Japan, which is the same thing in Taiwan, but you can eat on the Shinkansen, which is also the same thing in Taiwan. Anyway, this thing should only take me about an hour and a bit to get all the way down to Kyoto. Apparently I'm on the Fantasy Springs Disney Peter Pan Shinkansen, and this excites the locals a lot. Everyone's taking pictures, and I can't help but feel like this is like the cheapest of gimmicks. But it's what they like. Marketing's working. Okay, well, this is by far the most Western touristed place I've been so far. I got at the station and it felt like a full quarter of the people around me were white. That's a first on this trip so far. I don't know. It hopefully means that me traveling around here is going to be a lot easier. Alright, slight detour for meat on a stick and a very old temple in Kyoto. And you can see like everyone's dressing up in their kimonos and touring about it. It was cool. It's cool to do the touristy thing from time to time. Speaking of touristy things, there's something I found that's always paid dividends, and that is doing a walking tour, a guided tour by a local. It's always been good. And so that is where I'm going right now and meet up with my sister. And I haven't seen her in a long time, so this will be really nice. Yeah, well, I could see you because you walk funny. I can't tell you for a crowd.
I walk just like you.
You walk so funny. I can see you from a mile away. So we decided to take a walking tour, and Kyoto is one of those towns that is definitely touristy, but it's touristy to a level that I just haven't experienced yet on this trip whatsoever. There are so many foreigners here. It really feels like a theme park in a way. Everything is beautiful, don't get me wrong. It's just not all that authentic feeling. There aren't people living here very much. It's just kind of sterile. It's nice, but it just looks like a postcard. Sam packed her film camera.
Oh yeah, I can take a shot of you up here if you just go there.
Oh, me? Okay. So these stairs are cursed, and Sam, if you trip and fall right now, don't trip, don't fall, because if you do, you'll die within 2 years. It's like The Ring or something. I don't know. But it's not a VHS tape, it's a set of stairs.
Oh, I'm almost done.
You're not nervous, are you?
With you, yeah. Ooh, French fries. Can't turn more stairs. Okay. I'm so hungry. Like almost large ramen bowl size hungry, where you can like soak a baby in it. I think I'm hungry.
That's so brave. That's so brave of you, Sam. Are you thirsty too?
Yeah. For beer root. Beer root. They got little rippers on these guys.
Oh yeah, ribbed for my pleasure. Anyway, I've been staring at it the whole trip in Taiwan. Yeah.
Oh, I still have a face mask.
Our next stop is for sake flights that Sam desperately wants.
I don't want
She loves it so much. Oh my god.
It sounds like we're headed that way.
Oh yeah,
These like ones like that is so sweet. They said it's sparkling, it might not be as sweet.
Which one's got a super
Compared to the flavor really changes if you do it warm versus even popping.
We're gonna just like pierce it.
Yeah.
There's enough for all of you guys.
We were in a sake craft beer place, and we're going to Family Mart for strong zeros.
To have less craft, more beer. I had a lovely sake. What was it? What's it called? What, they give you 3 all at once? A flight of sake
flight.
was absolutely delightful. I got the dry one, which turned out to be not very potent. All right, let's go to Family Mart and see what they got. Speak for yourself. All right, I'm going a little wild. I know, I'm a little crazy.
Look at this fucking cutout.
Right behind this taxi, there's a 300C. And oh, is that a RX-8 behind it? I think it's an RX-8.
Strong, yeah.
It's just soda water and vodka, basically. That's nice. It's easy, light, no sugary.
Couldn't be me.
Yeah, I could drink 12 of
I'll be
these.
here.
Fast and Furious, Tokyo Drift. And then we got, is that, oh, CBR. Shaquille's beer right there. Look at the size of that thing. Look at it, tiny, it's so tiny.
That was good. Tastes petite.
Petite. Oh, that's nice.
It's not a beer, it's a Lipton tea. It just happens to be alcoholic.
You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. It's good.
I don't have it.
This happened to me a few days ago. I bought an entire Shinkansen ticket and I lost it instantly. Luckily, it was in Taiwan where a Shinkansen ticket's only $50, but I lost a $50 ticket instantly and had to go buy another one. It sucked so bad. I tried my best, guys. I really did. I know I went to Don Quixote in Taipei and was completely overwhelmed right away. Well, now I'm back in Don Quixote in Kyoto.
Dragon Ball Z. Well, they have the whole faces.
Difference is this time I have beer, so it won't be so intolerable.
Yo. This is it.
It's the ticket. And what's in the back?
Off center. No,
What's the booty? Just clouds in the booty?
It should be a Shiba Inu ass.
Why is that so thin? What the hell is that made out of? Hopes and dreams? There's gotta be
Things yelling at you.
It's very Walmart. There's some Walmart energy for sure.
Yeah, it doesn't have Walmart, but it's chaotic. There's stuff
So
everywhere.
much louder,
There's a lot of stuff hanging from the ceiling.
Flea market.
Yeah, it's like a
Flea market, Walmart, Dollarama.
Yeah,
And it's 4 floors of chaos.
yeah.
Good. Great synopsis. And you can bring beer. Everything's yelling all the time.
Yeah, everything yells in here. I fucking hate it. It's been like overwhelming.
Kevin, what'd you get?
Got a little couple of cute random things for various.
Is that like the Techno Kitties? Like,
Like,
aren't those really big in France? I've seen the memes.
I'd believe it.
Yeah.
They're pretty adorable though. So.
Oh yeah, we're good. Oh, we got a piece of sushi over here.
Yeah, sushi big man.
Oh, hell yeah, bro.
Gotta have a magnet.
Oh, it's a magnet. Oh, sick. Okay, wait. I got the chicken wing keychain, so
Why not?
you know, why not?
I got lotion kisses. That's it.
Oh wow. It's so potent.
Jams up here. I think you started this and you should end
Tastes
it.
like milk tea.
Oh! It's like strawberry syrup.
Oh god. Ew.
Just let Kevin feed you.
Let Daddy Kevy feed you some
Oh, yeah.
strawberry.
Debbie,
rolls.
Debbie.
Okay, I want to get some strawberry chunks. I got a few nubs rolled up in here.
Whoa. Juicy.
It kind of tastes like if you mix a strawberry oatmeal packet with ramen noodles.
Yeah, strawberry oatmeal.
I was expecting way worse.
Yeah, like
It smells worse than it tastes.
Yeah, like
If you like the taste of chemicals and microplastics, then boy, have we got a show for you. Sam, you're ready for Thailand.
Oh my god.
That shit is huge in Thailand.
Oh
You're
my
gonna love it.
God. No, it's because I have stuffed nose.
It's like essence of tiger balm.
Yeah.
Super dry. You can tell it's dry by the fact that it's a liquid that I'm putting in my throat.
Just open that and like take